Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will see that how you can download the Red Hat Enterprise Linux. In last lecture, we have already seen that how to create the developer subscription. So first you need to log in with that credential of your developer subscription and then go to Google and search for the RHEL download. Okay. So now here you can see that Red Hat Enterprise Linux at no cost. That is a boot edition, and you can also select software download center. So I'm just clicking on this downloads, second option. So I already logged in, right? So here I'm into this access.redhat.com/downloads. So here you can see there is a Red Hat Enterprise Linux. If you want to use a enterprise subscription, you can try it. So this is available for 60 days trial period. So if you want to try it out, you can try it out this. But I'm going to use this Red Hat Enterprise Linux, which is for the developer edition. Okay, so now it is going over here. Now here you can see there is a Red Hat Enterprise 9.5 boot ISO file. So this is for booting purpose. So uh, I would suggest we need to go with this offline install images. Now I'm going to download this Red Hat Enterprise 9.5. If you want to install Red Hat 8, then you need to select this option. But we are going to discuss about Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. Okay, so here you can see there is a download button. The size of this file will be more than 10 GB. So you need to have the space. Now here you can see it is 11 GB. So let it download. So once it is downloaded, then we will install the VirtualBox. And then we will add this ISO file to our VirtualBox to create the virtual machine. Okay, so it will take some time to, if you see here, it is saying 9 minutes to download. So we will see in the next lecture how to download and install VirtualBox. Okay, see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.